Effective feedback is essential for growth, trust, and team success. Leaders who communicate feedback clearly and empathetically empower their teams and foster a positive work environment. In this video, we'll break down the steps to giving and receiving feedback with practical examples and proven strategies.
Start by preparing for your feedback conversation. Think about your intent, the impact of your words, and what outcome you hope to achieve. Being prepared helps ensure your message is clear and focused on growth.
Create a safe, respectful space for the conversation. Use open body language, maintain eye contact, and ensure privacy. Start with positive intent by expressing appreciation for the person's efforts.
Deliver feedback using clear, specific language. Focus on behaviors, not personal attributes. For example, say your reports are thorough, but meeting deadlines will boost team efficiency. Avoid vague statements and always concentrate on actions and impact.
Encourage dialogue by asking for the other person's perspective and feelings. Use phrases like, "How do you see this?" or "What support would help you meet this goal?" Listen actively, showing empathy and understanding.
Wrap up the feedback conversation by setting clear next steps. Agree on a follow-up plan and offer ongoing support. Reinforce your confidence in the person's ability to succeed.
Receiving feedback is also a critical leadership skill. Listen for understanding, stay open to suggestions, and thank the person for their input. Reflect on the feedback and use it as a learning opportunity for growth.
Mastering the art of giving and receiving feedback builds stronger teams and drives growth. As a leader, your clear, empathetic approach inspires trust and continuous improvement. Start today and help your team reach their full potential.